In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a trade on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to pick items safely, and how to confirm the offer so it goes through without surprises. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed in. If you haven't used trading before, it helps to know that only items marked as tradable can be exchanged and some items can be on temporary hold. That's normal, and we'll cover what that means when we confirm the trade. Once Steam is open, look to the bottom right corner and click Friends and Chat. This opens your friends list so you can start a trade with the right person. Find and select the friend you want to trade with. Take a second to make sure it's really them. Matching avatars, consistent usernames, and their profile level can help you confirm you're not dealing with an impersonator. With their chat open, click View Profile to jump to their profile page. On that page, look for the More button shown as 3 dots. Click that, then choose Offer a Trade. If you don't see the option, it can mean trading is disabled for one of the accounts or privacy settings are restricting it. Now you're in the trade window. You'll see your inventory on one side and your friends on the other, often organized by game. Add items from your inventory by clicking them so they appear in the trade box. If something won't add, it might be untradeable or currently on cooldown. Use the message box to add a clear note, like what you're swapping or any agreement you've made. Clarity helps avoid misunderstandings. Next, and select items from their inventory if you're asking for something in return. You can also leave their side empty if you're just gifting. Take a careful look at item names, qualities, wear conditions, and any special attributes before proceeding. Values can change, so double check to make sure the trade is fair and exactly what you expect. When everything looks right, click Make Offer. Steam will show you a summary. Carefully review both sides again here. This is your last easy chance to catch mistakes. To finish, confirm the trade. If you use the Steam Guard mobile authenticator, you'll get a prompt on your phone to approve. If you confirm by email, Steam will send a message to approve there. Without mobile confirmation, Steam may place the trade on hold for a period to protect your items. That's intended for safety and will lift automatically when the hold ends. That's it. You can monitor pending and completed trades from your inventory's trade offers page. Trade smart, double check every detail, and enjoy your new items.